Welcome to the MajorDomo Deputy. We built this to help Domo administrators manage Domo. It has 4 core pieces of functionality. The first is disaster recovery. The second is smarter, faster orchestration of your data connectors. The third is managing Domo at scale. The fourth is PII handling. We'll go through each of those. We never want to lose content that we've put all of our blood, sweat, and tears into creating. We want to simply be able to back up your pages, stories, the cards that you have based off of a data set. That way, if you ever need to proactively clean your Domo environment, or if you just want to back up your work in case someone accidentally or maliciously deletes that content, you have a backup. If you ever need to restore any of the content, the cards, the dashboards, they're available in a backup and can be restored at any time. That's the first piece of functionality, disaster recovery. You can do that not only with cards and dashboards, but also with data flows. Go ahead and back up your SQL or Magic data flows. If those are ever deleted and need to be restored, you can do that with using this tool. All right, second piece of functionality, keeping your data sets up to date in a smarter way in Domo. That's what data set and data flow updates does. It essentially monitors the status of data sets and data flows and can trigger other connectors and data flows to run so that it can be a smarter and better orchestrated system. All right, third core piece of functionality is managing your Domo environment at scale. That's what workflows are for. Workflows allow you to manage your environment at scale. Domo has great data from the Domo governance data sets, the activity log, and other information that's available that allows you to manage your environment at scale and take actions that keep your environment clean and in compliance. With the data flow like this, you can have an output data set that essentially has all of the IDs for data sets, dashboards, cards, etc., and perform actions against those objects. One of the more requested functions is a trash bin. The idea being, maybe what we want to do is just simply take cards and dashboards, data flows, data sets, and hide them. Remove all of our users' access to those objects, put them somewhere where we have access, but they don't, and simply see if anybody complains. If they do, they still exist in Domo. We can just simply move them back and restore permissions. If no one complains, then we can go ahead and, again, leveraging workflows, back up the content and then delete it using a delete action. We also have move actions available. But the idea here is to manage your environment at scale, leveraging the data that's available from governance data sets and from your activity log. All right. Fourth set of functionality is handling PII in Domo. Most Domo customers, frankly, do have PII in Domo. Now, what do you do when a GDPR compliance request comes in? Someone requests to be forgotten. Usually legal sends that request through to the IT orgs, and everyone goes to comply, removes that person's information from the various systems. But what if you have a historical log in Domo? What do? Well, today, you can use PII extraction in the MajorDomo Deputy. You simply take the Domo governance data set that manages all of the different data sets within your environment. That's what the Deputy does. You pass through that person's PII, and the Deputy will set off workflows to overwrite that person's PII. That allows you to essentially forget that person without doing a whole lot of other heavy lifting to make that happen. So the Deputy is available today. Happy to answer any questions that you have. Just wanted to give you a high-level overview. Let us know if you have questions. Thanks so much.